Mount Kenya's moorlands provide little comfort for large mammals, but highland rock hyraxes can survive among the shelter of rocky outcrops. Though bigger and hairier than their plains-dwelling cousins, these hyraxes can still feel the twinge of cold, especially the newly born. East Africa's Rift Mountains are like islands in a sea of cloud. Battered and whittled away by the elements, their lives are very short indeed. Mount Kenya once stood much higher than even Kilimanjaro, but today it is shrinking. In another 3 million years, it may even look like this. The neighboring Aberdares Range, more ghost of mountain than mountain, studded with ancient lava stumps called the Dragon's Teeth. A kilometre lower than Mount Kenya, the summit of the Aberdares is often buried among the clouds. Rainwater draining off its moorlands feeds many of Kenya's major rivers. In the Aberdares, water is the principal force carving away at the flanks of the range. As the water flows downhill, it washes important minerals from the volcanic soil. Forest animals like bushbuck can't get enough sodium and potassium in their diet, so they need to visit special places where the salts are more concentrated. These clearings are an important meeting ground for all sorts of animals. Elephants are great earth movers, using their delicate trunks and forklift tusks to excavate the rich soil. The gentle, weathered slopes of the Aberdares make them an easy climb. Herds of elephants frequently wander up to the moorlands, especially in the dry season, when food down below is scarce.